Hi, my name is Sharon Lim. I'm independent Stampin' Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. Today I'm using the natural botanicals to do this lovely stacked card that will stand. And I also used the Nature Walk DSP. Let's get started. So for the card base, it's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. The top piece is 4 1/4 by 9 1/2. There's multiple score lines, 4 on each side. The DSP is 3 3/4 by 4 for the top, and then 4 and 5 1/4 for the base. I already die cut this and this together at the same time, and then this one we're just going to put on the top. I already put adhesive on the back. So take 2 of a video. So that's ready. And then this one, we're going to go ahead and glue on. You could also glue it first before die cutting it. And then there's 4 score lines here. I'm going to let that dry for a second and then fold it. So starting here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then repeat on the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm doing my best to burnish them really well so they stay straight. I'll repeat on this one. And the last one's the tab. Tear and tape will do fine. Glue will also do. Easiest way to do it is to fold it 2 over right there. And that will create the box. I'll do it again. Glue on the tab. Fold 2 columns over. There, and 2 boxes. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and I already stamped this, a different one. So I'll take the release tape off the dimensional, center it, and then it'll go right there. So the way to determine, you're going to have to put glue just on these, but you want it to be centered here, right? So easiest way to do it is to put the glue on the side that you want, and they're exactly 2 over. What that means, or 1 column over. So if I fold it this way and the glue's there, oops, sorry. If I fold it this way and the glue is there, it's 1 column width away. And I'll repeat this one too. So if I line up against the edges, it'll pop up, boop, perfectly centered. I'm going to go ahead and put some glue on the back of this and pop it in. And that is it. Got a little extra piece here for you later. Let me bring back the other ones. Alright, thanks for letting me share this with you. Please like, comment, and share with others who like video tutorials such as these. And please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.